You can now control ChatGPT Work from your phone right here. And that sounds small, but it's actually a big change. Because before, ChatGPT was mostly something you opened when you needed a quick answer. You asked the question, it answered. Then you did the work. But now, with ChatGPT Work and Codex, AI is moving from answer my question to help me finish the job. In this video, I will explain it in a very simple way. And stay until the end because I will give you the easiest rule for knowing when to use ChatGPT, when to use ChatGPT Work, and when to use Codex. Let's start simple. Normal ChatGPT is for quick help. You can ask it, write this email, explain this idea, give me 5 video titles, summarize this text. That is normal ChatGPT. It is fast, it is simple, it helps you think. But ChatGPT Work is for bigger jobs. A bigger job means something with more steps. For example, research this topic, make a report about this, create a spreadsheet, build a simple website, turn these notes into a full plan, compare these tools and tell me which one is best. That is different from a normal chat. You are not just asking one question. You are giving ChatGPT a job. Now, let's talk about Codex. Codex is the building side. It can help with code, but do not let the word code scare you. Code just means the stuff behind websites, apps, tools, calculators, and automations. So if you want a small website, Codex can help with that. If you want a simple calculator for your business, Codex can do that as well. If you want a tool that organizes data, Codex can help. If you want to fix something on a site, Codex can do that. So think of it like this. ChatGPT is for quick answers. ChatGPT Work is for longer tasks. Codex is for building digital things. Now here's the remote part. ChatGPT Work can run on web and mobile in the cloud. Cloud means it runs online. So you can start a bigger task from your computer or phone and come back later to check the result. Codex works from the ChatGPT desktop app. It can use files and folders on your computer. But OpenAI also has a remote tab in ChatGPT mobile app for supported Codex tasks. That means you can check some Codex work from your phone. You can see what happened. You can answer questions. You can approve steps. You can change the direction. You can keep the work moving without sitting at your desk the whole time. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you want a landing page for your business. You start on your computer and say, build a simple landing page for my coaching business. Add a headline, offer, benefits, customer reviews, and a contact button. Codex starts working. Then you leave your desk. Maybe you go outside. Maybe you are in a taxi. Maybe you are getting a coffee. Maybe you are at the beach. Later you check your phone. Codex might ask, do you want this color or this one? Or should I add a pricing section? Or do you want me to test the page? You can answer straight away from your phone. That is the new way of working. You do not have to sit and watch every step. You just check in when AI needs you. Here is another example. Let's say you use ChatGPT Work. You say, research 5 AI tools for small business owners. Make a simple table, show price, best use case, and which one is easiest. That task may take time. You do not need to watch the screen. You can let it work, then later you review the result on your phone. This is useful for research, reports, content plans, spreadsheets, presentations, websites, and simple business tasks. But here's where people get it wrong. Remote AI does not mean AI should do everything alone. That is not smart. The smart way is this: AI does the boring steps. You approve the important steps. AI can draft the email. You approve before sending. AI can make the report. You check before sharing. AI can build the page. You review before publishing. AI can change files. You check before accepting. That is how you stay in control. Now, here's the simple rule: use ChatGPT when you need a quick answer. Use ChatGPT Work when you need finished tasks like research, reports, plans, files, spreadsheets, presentations, or simple sites. Use Codex when you want to build or fix something digital, like a website, app, tool, calculator, dashboard, or automation. Use Remote when the task takes time and you want to check it from your phone. That is the whole idea. ChatGPT is for quick help. ChatGPT Work is for bigger jobs. Codex is for building. Remote is for checking and controlling the work while you are away. And if you want to learn practical AI workflows like this step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into AI tools, agents, automations, and business use cases. So here's your action step: pick one job that takes more than 20 minutes. Maybe research, maybe a report, maybe a website, maybe a spreadsheet, maybe a content plan. Give it to ChatGPT Work or Codex. Then check progress from your phone. Do not use AI only for quick answers. Use it for work that actually takes time. See you in the next one.